goodness. Nana spoiled you again.
Help that.
I don't know what that is. Take the paper off.
Huh?
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 It says, "My dearest Jade, Nana loves you and miss you so much." Okay, what do you say to Nana? Come here, come look. What do you say?
Thank you, Nana.
Give Nana a kiss first.
Mwah.
Okay, so let's open this one. Paper for JD. And then... Oh my goodness, I knew it.
Toy. Open, Mommy. Open it.
What is it?
Toy.
What kind of toy?
Mommy, open it.
What do
Mommy,
you say, please?
please.
Okay, give Nana a kiss first.
Mwah.
Okay, say bye-bye. Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.